Hello. As you know, I am positive about dyslexia, and I am particularly positive about making the world a better place for dyslexics. This video is another one where I talk about how you can make the world a better place for people with dyslexia. This video has 6 ideas for you to think about and incorporate in your daily behavior. Number 1, in your office or business workplace, what you can do is not put up loads of text-heavy signs everywhere. People won't read them, and you will have wasted the time that you could have spent more wisely doing other things. If you want to bring something to people's attention wherever you work, try and use diagrams or infographics. Avoid too much text, too much print, too many words. It doesn't work well for communication with dyslexics. Number 2, brace yourself, this could be controversial. Send fewer emails. Send fewer emails. Try phoning people instead, or if you can, and it's appropriate for where you work, consider trying to get people to use a dedicated messaging medium like Slack for their work communications. Keep that communication simple by using channels for each topic. I hear about people having 1,000 unopened emails in their inboxes. They won't tell you, but it doesn't make anyone feel good, so cut back. Number 3, when talking to people and giving out instructions, keep it short. Follow it up by checking that people have remembered everything that you've said, or give them a written version as a backup. Don't count on people remembering and then get annoyed when people forget. Incorporate a belt and braces approach. It's worth it. Number 4, do not be judgmental about people who forget all those things you said or who seem chaotic, disorganized, or untidy. Do not be angry, frustrated, or despondent. Get positive. Think, how can I make this work? What can I do to support this process so that people do not forget because they have reminders or prompts? What can I do to help with organization or keeping things in particular places? Work together with your team to build trust and mutual respect. Be clear on what is important and what is needed for that. Number 5, ask more questions. Maybe in your head. Consider, what are the assumptions that you are working upon? Are you assuming that everyone is like you? Because maybe they're not. Actually, I can tell you now, they're not. So ask those questions. What assumptions are other people working on? That will be interesting to find out. Number 6, find out more about dyslexia, ADHD, dyspraxia, autism. The more that you know, then the more the people around you will know, and that will make the world a better place for those people with these conditions. If we all understand each other better and our differences, it makes it easier to get on and be productive and thrive. Invest in knowledge. So, let me recap. 1, avoid too much text around the workplace. Find other ways to communicate important information. 2, send fewer emails. Streamline your communication channels. 3, keep instructions short and to the point. 4, build trust by avoiding judgment. Ask, how can we do better? 5, explore your own and other people's assumptions. 6, invest in knowledge about dyslexia and neurodiversity. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found this video useful, then why not take a look at this one? I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.